Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are fine and enjoying good health at home, and I also hope that you have done your previous homework. We have successfully completed our 4 weeks of first term of class 8. Now today we are going to start our unit number 6 and our topic is paper. From the textbook, and our topic is paper. Learning objectives. You will be able to learn, read and understand narrative, and this is the text type is narration. Understand first and third person to whom he is talking and whether he is talking to himself, that is first and third person in the pronouns. Recognize and understand technical vocabulary, means the contextual meanings. Sometimes the words has more than one meaning. Understand and use adverbial phrases. Write an account. So you will be able to learn from following these points in this text today. Coming to the topic on page number 77, unit 6 paper. The following excerpt is taken from the story Paper by Catherine Lim. The writer is Catherine Lim. In this topic, she discussed the excerpt. In this topic, she discussed the excerpt describes the ambitious Taesoon and his wife Jillian. In this excerpt, she describes the ambitious Taesoon and his wife Jillian, their desire for dream house, and how this desire leads them to take financial risks in the stock market. Their attitude is compared to that of Taesoon's mother, who leads a modest, traditional life and who disapproves of her son's ambition. So read the text carefully so that you would be able to answer the questions given to you in different levels, level 1, 2 and 3. This is all about the topic. This topic is about the enthusiasm, this topic is about his ambitions, and the desire, the utmost desire of the dream house, and how their desire leads to take financial risk. They took financial risk. They talked of the dream house endlessly, and it had become a reality stronger than the reality of the small terrace. In original, they have the small terrace house which they were sharing with Taesoon's mother, to whom it belongs. Taesoon's mother, whose little business of selling bottled curries and vegetable preserves which she made herself, left her little time for dreams, plucked for tongue and shook her head. So this is all about the story. Read the text carefully, take out your pencils, underline the different words in this new words you learned in this excerpt, and you will be able so that find out the synonyms and antonyms to enhance your vocabulary. There are different words though in this chapter, those who has more than one meaning. So according to the text, find out that which is the you will be able to understand that is the meaning of the word. For example, after reading the line before or the line after that word, you will be able to understand the meaning and the clear meaning of the word. So that is the technical vocabulary. You will recognize and understand the technical vocabulary from the text. So coming to the vocabulary, look at these words with their meanings. First word is hankered. It means feel a strong desire to do something. Next is lodged, become fixed. Prestigious. Lodged has more than one meaning according to the situation in your book. It means become fixed. Prestigious, having high status. Amalgam, mixture. Sarcastic, ironic. Petulantly, ill-tempered, bad-tempered. Rustic, art or some sort of architecture. So these are the new words you're gonna learn in this text. Find out more words and underline them, and also find out their synonyms and antonyms from the dictionary so that you could be able to enhance your vocabulary and then use them in sentences of your own. So the comprehension asks you to identify literal information in the text level 1 and then inform meaning in level 2, and in level 3 that is all about your creative senses. So read the following note on first and third person narratives in the level 3 and answer the questions given in the level 3. So on page number 81, there is a portion of vocabulary. There are several words related to the money and finance in the excerpt from paper, because this is all is related to the money, because they were short of money and they took financial risk to fulfill their desire. So down payment, payback monthly, annual bonuses, stock markets, broking houses, these are the words that are related to the money and finance. What you have to do is to find out the meanings, and then in the level text B and C and D, all B, C and D in level part B, C and D, you also have to find out the meanings of the words given in the bold. Next is on page number 83, the exercise comprises of the units of currency of different countries, and find out the currencies. Then in the last, that is the grammar portion, and that comprises of the adverbial phrases. Today we will discuss about adverbial phrases. Coming to the grammar portion, that is adverbial phrases. What is adverb? First of all, I will tell you about what is adverb. Adverb is anything that describes a verb. Adverbs, is a word that describes a verb. And what is a phrase? Adverbial phrase is a phrase that acts like a verb. It is a phrase that acts like a verb. It answers the questions like how, when, where. So the types of adverbial phrases are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Many adverbial phrases begins with preposition. These are also called prepositional phrases. For example, there is an example given to you that Tae-soon saved for his dream house with enthusiasm. So how? With enthusiasm. That is Tae-soon saw the dream house in his mind. So sometimes the adverbial phrases starts with the preposition with, in. So the examples given to you. Number one is Tae-soon saved for his dream house with enthusiasm. How? Then it is he answered with enthusiasm. With is a preposition. So sometimes the adverbial phrases starts with the preposition. That's why we can also call them prepositional phrases. And it is answering how. It is answering the question how. That how he saved for his dream. He saved for his dream with enthusiasm. Number two, Tae-soon saw the dream house in his dream. And this is answering the question where. This is answering the question where. So in this adverbial phrase also starts with in. So that is also known as prepositional phrases. So sometimes we can also use a single adverb at the place of this phrase. That we can also use that Tae-soon saved for his dream house enthusiastically. So skipping this, we can also use this word enthusiastically, that means a single adverb at this place. So, the adverbial phrases can also occur at the beginning of the sentence. In such case, it is usually set apart from the rest of the sentence by a comma. For example, in June last year. So this is the adverb of, the sentence is started in June last year. They went to Lahore. Sometimes we can also use the adverbial phrases at the beginning of the sentence. In such cases, it is usually set apart with the comma from the rest of the sentence by a comma. So look at the example. In June last year, comma, he decided to work hard. So this is the adverb of time. In June last year, he decided to work hard. So this adverbial phrase is at the start of the at the beginning of the sentence. So now we will discuss more examples of the adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and the adverb of duration, so that you will understand about the adverbial phrases. Look at the example. We walked very carefully across the floor. So this is the adverb of manner. This is the adverb of manner. This is the adverbial phrase. Cross the floor. Walked is the verb and which thing is describing? Across the floor is the adverbial phrase. In the second example, Dad got home very late. So this is the adverb of time. The word late describes that this is the word of. This is the adverb of time. Got is the verb, and that is describing. So that is the adverbial phrase. Hope you understood about these. What you have to do is to solve exercise on page number 85 in different parts A, B and C and D from your book and on your book, and then you will be able to understand the different frequencies, what kinds of adverbs or adverbial phrases, and that is all about the today's lecture. Now coming to the homework, what you have learned and solved unit number 6 from textbook. Handouts are available to you on the website of Kelson School System and are also provided to you through WhatsApp. Contact on school WhatsApp number, and for further updates follow the official page of Kelson School System on Facebook. So see you next week. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.